In almost every chapter of my 51 years, I've made plans that didn't work out the way I expected them to. Of course, looking back, I can see how the hand of God wasn't at work in those plans from the beginning. I remember a time when I was so frustrated, where I was working and I decided on a random Monday that I was going to put myself in the world and find me a new job. I got my resume all pretty, and before you knew it, I had landed an opportunity to interview. Now, you know your girl was excited, and you know your girl crushed it. They absolutely loved me and promised that they would get back with me, y'all. And they did get back with me, all right, to say that because of budget cuts, the position had closed. Listen, y'all, I was so upset with God. Because, why would you get me all hyped up like that and then, take it away from me? Wait, what? What did he say? Who said what? Wait. I did this to myself. So Proverbs 19:21 says, "There are many plans in a man's heart. Nevertheless, the Lord's counsel's will shall stand." About 3 months later, I would understand why God shut it all down. You see, he saw the full picture. He saw what was coming, something I didn't see coming. And he took control of my future before I could jack it up myself. He's such a good God to me, y'all. So I want to let you know today that if you're wrestling with delays, detours, or shut doors, don't be discouraged. Get anchored in God. I know my mistake was not seeking God first and allowing my frustrations to take over, but God is always working for our good, even when it doesn't feel good and even when it doesn't even look good. So I hope you remember as you're going throughout your day to trust God and let Him lead the way. See you tomorrow for another 1 Minute on Purpose.